Hello, it's Engineer Astro. This is a guide on how to replace iPhone X screen. So the phone is not powering, it's not displaying anything on the screen. Let's try it with a charger. It doesn't display either. So we try to power it again to confirm. You can see it's iPhone X. So let's open it straight up and test a new screen on it. So the edge is not, there's no bottom screw, so we just proceed with using a razor blade to open through the edges. Open it gently, don't allow the razor to go too deep. Use your finger to open round and open it to the right side. So let's lose out the clip holders. There's a clip holder with screws, so we are loosening it. Losing the clip holder, and it is out. So now let's unclip the screen clips, the screen connectors, and this is the top flex of the phone, which contains the earpiece and the sensors. We'll unclip it. Unclip the screen flex and separate the screen from the phone. But first of all, we unclip the battery actually, so I forgot to mention that. The first thing you have to do is to unclip the battery while working on the screen, before working on the screen, before unclipping any other thing. So now the screen is separated from the phone body. Now let's test the new screen. Let me get my new screen. So I just got this new screen. This is the replacement screen we are going to use to test. So you can see it has two flex. I'll clip those flexes and power the phone. Make sure the flex enters, the connectors of the flex enters the hole properly before you apply pressure to clip it properly. Also slide in the second one and apply pressure to clip properly. Let me use pry tool to apply more pressure to clip it properly. Not too much pressure actually, just to distribute the force on the clip. It is well clipped now. Yes, proceed to clip the battery now and other flexes. So ensure everything is well clipped, so that we test it. We are trying to avoid partial contact. So now I proceed to power the phone. Wow, it powers. Let's see if it will display the home screen. Oh, home screen is here. Now let's test the touchpad. Try some password. Oh, it's typing. Cancel. Emergency call. Everywhere is touching. So it's now time to replace the top flex and the top flex, which contains the earpiece and sensors, to the new screen. So first of all, we replace the glass alignment to help align the sensors on the new screen. After fixing the alignment glass, we fix the top flex on the new screen. gently align it properly. Yes, it is. Okay, let's align it. It's aligned. Now let me head for my screw and screw it. So I tie the screw and clip the flex back. Okay, making sure everywhere is clipped actually, and I replace back the holder, the clip holders. Okay, I use my screw to screw the holder. The holder presses down the clips to ensure that they don't pull out. So screw all the screws of the holder back carefully. One after the other, finish screwing all the screws of the holder. Then I'll gently cover the phone. Gently by pressing the edges, by fixing the top first, pressing through the edges. Alright, everywhere is pressing, everywhere is touching. So it's time for the bottom screw. I use my bottom screwdriver to fix the screws and screw them at the bottom. It enters perfectly. Screw the second one perfectly. Don't screw it too tight so it can be opened again. Let's test it one more time while it's touching everywhere. Cancel. Oh wow, phone is set.
Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.